No waterworks from the sky this evening. It's a drive view over our groundworks camera looking towards the Capitol. A pretty calm day weather-wise, although some did see some showers in the Channel 8 viewing area. Lincoln was not one of those locations. Now, we did get a drought update today, and this week, 11.6% of the state is no longer in a drought, and that compares to 6.5% of the state last week. Lancaster County has gotten whittled out of this drought entirely. Now, southern Lancaster County is still included in this yellow area, which is abnormally dry. This is not technically a drought, and in fact, this is a sign that we are coming out of a drought. Some counties like Fillmore and Clay counties, they got whittled out of a severe drought, so we've seen some improvement. Only southeast Nebraska, though, is the area where we don't see any drought activity in the state of Nebraska. Out farther west, it is still dry. The Tri-Cities are still in a severe drought, but some encouraging signs nevertheless. Here's where temperatures stand at this hour. 70 degrees at Lincoln Airport, 68 in Wahoo, 66 in Omaha, so a mix of upper 60s and lower 70s with the exception of Beatrice. They've cooled to the middle 60s already. We had a record-breaking low this morning, so despite the fact that it was a very nice day, 42 degrees is where we bottomed out at Lincoln Airport, and that broke a record of 43 degrees set back in 1964 and 1978, so 82 degrees. Yeah, we warmed 40 degrees from our low this morning. For tonight, not quite as cold. 54 degrees, some passing clouds. I do believe we will stay dry in the capital city. Satellite and radar imagery shows dry conditions now in southeast Nebraska, but we're still watching some of those scattered showers off to the northwest, mainly to the northwest of the Tri-Cities, moving out of Custer and in towards Dawson and Buffalo counties at this point. Very, very light rain. So Stormcast actually fizzles these showers out over the next couple of hours, and that makes sense. We are going into the overnight hours. Things are cooling off. That'll likely be the case. We'll hang on to some cloud cover going into tomorrow morning, so you'll likely have to contend with those for the morning commute, but I do think we'll be dry. Now, there was a boundary setting up over the central part of the state today, and that'll lift off to the north tomorrow. It'll be in north and northeast Nebraska tomorrow, and along that we could see a couple of scattered showers develop, kind of like what we saw today out near Broken Bow, Greeley, Ord, even out towards Central City, but that'll be mainly to the north. We had one model earlier today trying to pop one off in Saunders County. I mentioned earlier that I think that's kind of a stretch. There's a very small chance it may occur just to the north of Lincoln, but by and large, the theme is all the shower activity will be off towards the north. So for Friday, 83 degrees, it's slightly warmer, a mix of sun and clouds, but then going into the weekend, things turn a little bit more unsettled. Friday night, we're watching some showers and thunderstorms in the western part of the state, and this is late Friday night, so they're going to weaken as they move eastward, but early Saturday morning, I don't think we can rule out a couple scattered showers in Lincoln. This is kind of wave number one. And then on Saturday, we're mostly dry, but then there could be an evening round of shower and thunderstorm development, and even these could be scattered. So Saturday may not end up being a total loss after all, as they are scattered showers after all, and in their very nature, scattered showers are hit or miss. So 78 degrees on Saturday, maybe an isolated thunderstorm on Sunday, 78 degrees there as well. You can see the pattern turning more unsettled. We have scattered storm chances pretty much all the way through next Wednesday, but I think there'll be several dry hours on each and every day, as in their very nature, scattered showers and storms, they can be hit or miss, and if you dodge them all together, well, on some of those days, we may not see rain at all.